stability. Home is love. Home is where everything happens. We cry, we laugh, we live. That's what home is. Hi kids! Ya casi está la cena. Owning my own home has changed my life dramatically. It was part of my dream to provide secure shelter for my children. And going through the process step by step got me to finally becoming a homeowner. Your kids having fun? I feel stable. Yes. There's nothing that can't come true.
The mission of the One Mortgage program really is to meet the needs of underserved, low and moderate first-time homebuyers, folks that, if not for this program, might not have the means to afford a home through traditional means.
When I moved to this place last May, it just brings me and my children closer together. In the weekend, they can come for dinner. For me, my home is where the heart is, right? Where I can be near my kids.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
I was able to buy a 2-bedroom condo.
Come on. What's it?
The building itself has a lot of charm, so very happy with the purchase.
Good job, huh?
So some of the advantages of being able to have my own space where I can be creative, add my own touches to the unit. There you go. Also, financially, just being able to own a property and have my own equity.
Kids, let's get some coloring going. My previous housing situation was difficult. I found myself going through a separation. I was on the verge of being evicted. The idea of owning my own home was not a possibility.
One Mortgage has several key features that make it more affordable than a traditional mortgage. First off, there's a low down payment requirement of only 3%. Banks and credit unions offer the One Mortgage at a discounted interest rate, about 30 basis points or 0.3% lower than a traditional mortgage would be. There's also no private mortgage insurance, otherwise known as PMI, that can save borrowers hundreds of dollars a month.
Owning my own home changed my life tremendously. Set up your home and cook in your own place. I feel rich at heart. How about that?
Typically, homebuyers are going to work directly with a participating lender. But before that, they're going to take a first-time homebuyer education course. These are super important. It's a requirement of the program, and we work with about 50 partners statewide, nonprofit organizations who offer these classes. So, Megan, how's homebuyer education going at ABCDC?
It's going well. We continue to see plenty of people in our classes, and despite the difficult market, people are still interested in wanting to learn how to buy a home.
So the way that the class helps students move forward with the home buying process is that it provides education that students or people who aspire to buy their first home can't really obtain elsewhere. The facilitators of the class lead clients through a discussion of budget, savings, and credit, which is critical to being ready to buy a home.
Vamos a la iglesia esta tarde. I took a financial education class. The information is just amazing. I had all the tools I needed to get into a mortgage.
My experience with the homebuyers education class was positive. It taught me a lot about what I didn't know about the home buying process, and it definitely dispelled a lot of myths that I thought I knew about the home buying process.
Once somebody has graduated from a first-time homebuyer class, if they're ready to buy, they can reach out to a one mortgage participating lender and start the application.
So you went through the first-time homebuyer classes with Wayfinders, right?
I did. As a matter of fact, with you.
And you're a first-time homebuyer, correct? Yes. The advantages that the One Mortgage program brings to us lenders is obviously a program that helps us meet our CRA requirements. CRA is a Community Reinvestment Act. It's a requirement for lenders to be able to give back to the community in lending and affordability.
Our relationship with the lending community is paramount because without the lenders themselves, there would be no program. We don't make the loan at MHP. We make it possible, but the lenders are actually providing the financing, and we make a lot of efforts across the board to find new lending partners, help build capacity at our lending partners, help make them more aware of the program so that they can offer the product to the community.
You know, everyone deserves the opportunity to be able to own a home. And the One Mortgage product, because it makes the payment affordable, it gives that opportunity for that market to be able to purchase a home.
I couldn't explain anymore how grateful I am to get to know this program that changed my life. I couldn't be where I am now. When I heard about One Mortgage, just give me the hope and dreams. It is emotional to me because I wouldn't think I would have a home again. So thank you to One Mortgage.
We're really proud of the fact that we've served over 25,000 households over the history of this program. I like to think of every household that purchases their first home as a miracle, and I really applaud the success of each and every one of these home buyers.
Congratulations, MHP, and I'm glad that I was able to be part of that accomplishment.
What if I join the trampoline? It is possible. It can be done. High five. Nice. I did it. And I'm not the first, and I won't be the last. Yay! My name is Lillian Ayala, and the house behind me is my home.
Hi, I'm Mark Rokina, and this is my home.
Hi, my name is Rina Tenore, and this is my home.